Hello everyone, it's time for yet another PDQPD. I'm going to mix it up a little bit today and show you a new feature in Canvas that I think you're going to be really excited about. You probably know and are already using the ability to send grades directly to PowerTeacher Pro, but a recently released feature allows you to set up that process to occur automatically overnight, and I'm going to show you how to set that up now. You can see on the screen here I am on my dashboard. I'm going to select a class. I'm going to tell you up front that most of my courses are just for training, so there's no real grades in there. So a lot of those fields will be blank, but the same process applies. So I'm going to select this class. And normally, in order to export your grades, you would go to Grades. And again, you can see I don't have any grades here, but you would go to Export and then select Sync to PTP or PowerTeacher Pro. Now you should only do this if you've done some of the preliminary steps to set up fields and stuff, but this is for those of you that are already using this. This is how you would sync grades, and when you sync, it would give you an alert here, and then you would click Sync Now, and that would sync all of your grades. And this would need to be done each time you wanted to sync. Once you have done that syncing, you may or may not have gone to the monitoring and reporting tool, and it would tell you, now there's nothing here for me, but it would tell you once you've synced the grades that either they have gone through successfully, they're still in the queue, or there are some errors that you need to go resolve before the grades will successfully sync. So you may or may not use this regularly, but you may have noticed up here at the top there's a second tab that's been added that's called Sync. If you want to set up your sync to occur automatically overnight, rather than requiring you to go in and export those grades each time, this is where you would set it up. It's real simple. You can click the sync button, and then you can see this box here that says Schedule Daily Sync, and it doesn't tell you precisely when, but it's going to happen sometime between midnight and 7 a.m. You would select that box, and then select Save. And now your grades are set up to each night sync automatically. That will automate that process for you. You won't have to think about when you are sending grades and remembering to send your latest grade, because it will happen each night automatically. Some things to think about here is that if you change a grade after the sync happens, it will need to wait until the next sync to update that. So if you want something to happen right at that moment, you would still need to go back to the former process and sync grades immediately. I believe that most of you will be able to use this to automate your process and not have to worry about when and how to sync grades anymore, and it'll streamline the process of getting grades to PowerSchool much quicker. I hope this is helpful to you, and as always, have a great day.